Hello everybody, Derek here, and in this video we will be going over how to back up your Discord application settings. So let's start off by going to the configuration folder, because I need to explain a little bit here. So every program on Linux that you install has a configuration folder or file inside of this folder here. And it uses it to save all of your information. So we can see the Discord one is right here. And if I do cd Discord, and then I right click and open it in Dolphin, we can see all of the information for my Discord. You can see the tray, you can see the modules, and all of the stuff that it uses are right in this folder. So this includes the cache for your login and the GPU cache, local storage. So it's safe to say that if you back up this folder, your settings will be saved. So to back up your settings with Discord, it's quite easy. You don't really need to use a sophisticated backup tool. You can just create a tar archive. So that's what we're going to do. So start off by exiting the Discord folder. Just do cd ... and then I'll take you up one. So we're now going to run this command here, and now this is going to create an archive of everything in the Discord folder into this nice little tar.gz. And we can see it's going through. I have the V option just so you can see it working as it goes. A lot of times if people can't see a command working, they'll think it's not doing anything. So now once we do that, we can see the Discord backup settings here. And now in the article, I say you could use the mv command. Because I'm on KDE Plasma, I can once again open in File Manager, and I can just find the settings and just put it right here. Now, this settings file is accessible, so if I were to log on to another Linux system and just put this in the config folder, extract it, and then just install Discord, I have access to this Discord account, and I don't want that because, I don't want anybody to access my account. So to do that, to fix that problem, we're going to need to encrypt it, and you do that with GPG. So GPG is installed on most systems, and it's a basic encryption tool. It's used for a lot of stuff, but all we need to know is that you need to do GPG tac C. So GPG tac, that's the little dash there, then C, and then just type in the name of the archive. It's going to ask for a passphrase. You can go ahead and enter your super secret passcode and then re-enter it, and it'll create it will create a encrypted archive. From there we can delete this one here, and then if I try to open this, if I'm an unsuspecting person, if I'm not sure what it is, it's not going to work. It's going to try and open in my text editor, and all you'll see is just this garbled text. It's completely safe, and if I want to access it again, I need to do GPG and then Discord, enter my password, and then I have access to it. So that is how you back up your Discord settings. If you check the link in the description, we have the commands on how to restore it. I just went over how to back it up because backup process in and of itself is quite complicated. But if you want to restore it, just go ahead and place it in the config folder here, and it just put it exactly right back here. You can extract it, you can do it with your file manager, and if you are confused as to how to do that, please check my article in the link in the description, and I go over step by step on how to do that. Anyways guys, this has been Derek, and this is how to back up your Discord settings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.